Well, calisthenics is one of the latest workouts taking the world by storm. Now it's growing in popularity here in New Zealand.
That's right. One of the faces promoting the new fitness trend is Samoan David Courts, who's also inspiring Pacific communities to lead a healthier lifestyle. Anoli Karima Fai'ai has this story.
All right, ready? 2, go, 1, rest.
David Courts is raising the bar.
Yeah, longer rest this time. 7.
The 39-year-old wears many hats. He's a motivational speaker, a personal trainer and a father of 4. But Saturday afternoons are reserved for calisthenics.
The Greek word kalos, which is beauty, and thenos, which is strength. So it's developing beautiful strength from basically using your own body and body weight.
The former rugby league player has only been involved in calisthenics for 3 years, but it's a kind of workout he's been doing all his life.
I've been doing bodyweight training for as long as I can remember. I was flipping over houses and school buildings and stuff like that, you know, at 10, 11, you know, so it's in me, you know, like calisthenics is like in me.
Despite his natural sporting talent as a kid, David endured a tough upbringing, growing up without a father figure and often subject to abuse.
Everything just went from bad from worse. I started taking drugs and stuff like that, and I was suicidal, you know. I wanted to take my life because I couldn't handle the fact that even though I was happy on the outside, but on the inside I was very unhappy.
But it was during these dark moments of his life that he found comfort in Christianity.
Jesus filled that void for me. When he said that I die for you and I want you to do something with your life, I have a future for you, and I don't want to harm you, man, that gave me, you know, it gave me a purpose to live, yeah?
Now David is reaching out to those in similar circumstances. He hopes that sharing his story will give hope to others.
Hopefully I can walk out of this room and inspire one person, inspire many. It drove me to be someone today. You know, whether it be on a health aspect or a fitness aspect, just any one of those two. If I can just change someone's life, just one person, I think I've done my job.
But his journey to inspire doesn't end there. David has also committed himself to a vegan diet and encourages other Pacific people to do the same.
When you look at my uncles and my grandpa and all of those people from the old school, and they're lean, they're shredded. They're just eating taro, you know, greens, berries, they're just everything whole food from the ground.
It's just a bit like Christianity, you know, like nobody wants you to come up and start, you know, Bible bashing them per se. I'd rather sort of, you know, earn their trust, getting to know them. And then when you've earned their trust and when they start asking questions, then you can present, you know, Christ, or you can present veganism, or, you know, so I try to do it like that so that, you know, I'm not sort of putting people out.
But his focus right now is growing calisthenics in New Zealand, which is now making leaps and bounds with a new park in Henderson.
You don't need anything, you just need a start, you know? You just need to come in, we can show you how to do your first push-up, your first pull-up, your first dip. So it doesn't matter what level you are, what age, you just need to start.
Well, that's almost the end of our show for this week. If there's any story you want to watch again, just go to our Facebook page or TVNZ On Demand.
And just a reminder, the Pacific Business Trust Awards are on very soon. Head along to and support our Pasifika business community. The big night is Friday, the 28th of October.
Should be a good night, so make sure you head along. Until then, manuela vai aso.
See you next week, everyone. Tau Pasifika.
People love the sun to our new homebound. Tongue on top Pacific.